Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. Today we will learn about the integration by parts using the tabular method. Now let's suppose here we have the question integral of x cube into cos x dx. Now in the first step we will choose the u and dv. Our first term will be u and our second term will be dv. So in the question our first term is x cube, so u will be x cube, and our second term is cos x, so dv will be cos x dx. So then we will draw the table. The first column indicates the sign, and in the second column we have the derivatives, and in the third column we have the integrals. Now in the first column the first sign will be positive sign, and then the negative sign, then positive sign, negative and positive sign. So keeping the first term, that is x cube, in the u, so that will be in the derivatives. The first term is x cube, so x cube over here, the derivative of x cube is 3x square, and the derivative of 3x square is 6x. The derivative of 6x is 6, and the derivative of 6 is will be 0. In the same way, the integral of cos x, the cos x will be placed over here. The integral of cos x will be sin x. The integral of sin x will be minus cos x, and the integral of minus cos x will be minus sin x. The integral of minus sin x will be cos x. Now how we will write the answer? We will select the first from the first column, and the first from the second column, and the second from the third column. So that will be x cube into sin x will be plus x cube sin x, again minus 3x square and minus cos x. It means second one from here, second one from here, and the third one from here. So minus will be plus, so plus 3x square cos x. In the same way, the third one from here, third one from here, and the fourth one from here. So plus minus will be minus 6x into sin x. In the same way, fourth one from here, fourth one from here, and the fifth one from here. So minus 6 cos x plus constant in the end. So this is our final answer.